My name is Courtney Stapleton and I will be playing Belle in Disney's Beauty and the Beast.
My name is Emmanuel Kojo and I'm playing the Beast.
Today we have been in this beautiful old building doing the press photo shoot for the cast announcements for the show.
I'm really looking forward to seeing and working with Courtney, but also the entire cast, and actually meeting them not on Zoom, but in person.
So Emmanuel and I know each other. We trained together, but we haven't seen each other since we left. So it's been really lovely to reconnect with him and to go on this journey with him. I think is going to be really exciting.